Hey guys, welcome back. It's episode 21 of the Chevy 3100 build. I'm going to be replacing the carpet. As you can see, this is a loop carpet, and it's just, this carpet was meant for without this seat riser. So, but I used that to build my seat brackets. So I didn't want to take it out. So now it pushed the whole carpet forward. It goes up way too high. It just bunched it all up here. It just doesn't look good. So I bought another carpet from, I believe it's called, I don't even want to say. I'll show you the box in a second, but I got it from OC Auto Carpets, but the company name is something else. So this is what it looks like right now. The new carpet is actually meant for with this riser. So, and it's actually a Essex carpet instead of loop. So it should be a lot better. We're gonna pull this out, probably just rattle can the floor black really quickly, lay down some Dynamax. I have some, I didn't put it in yet. So, and then we'll put the new one in, and I gotta poke all the holes, cut the holes for that and everything. So yeah, let's get started on it, I guess. All right, got the carpet pulled out. I cleaned it up, and then put some POR 15 on it. It is clearly not the prettiest job. There's a bunch of like pitting in the floor and stuff, so, but it's all painted black, so we're just gonna let it sit a little bit, dry for a little bit, and then we'll lay some Dynamat down. All right, I've made pretty good progress on Dynamatting this. Got the back done. Basically, everything's done except for this section right here. I still gotta pull off the old, cheap sound ending I had, but for the most part, all this is done. It's pretty difficult to get in all the grooves and stuff because there's these lines going this way and then lines going that way throughout the whole thing. So, but pretty happy with how it's turning out. So I gotta go somewhere right now, but I just gotta pull the rest of that up and then get that section done. I still have just 3 sheets of this left. Yeah, so gotten a pretty good amount with this kit. I'll link it down below. I don't remember exactly how much it was, or how much is in there, like how much it was supposed to cover. I think I paid $200 and something. Don't quote me on that. I'll put the link down in the description so you guys can buy it. I got it off Amazon, but it is still legit Dynamat, but actually I might say it on here. 36 square feet. So 36 square feet basically covers this whole cabin. I'll have extra. So yeah, that's about it. I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna do it this video or another one, but I am gonna paint that steering column gloss black, so that way it's not just, because it's starting to rust a little bit, so definitely have to take care of that. So just have that, and then we'll put the carpet in, and I got a couple tricks for getting the holes in the carpet that I learned from Vice Grip Garage, so if any of you guys watch him. But I'm pretty happy with how it's turning out, and hopefully I can get back driving this soon, because I hate having to just sit under here. So almost. All right, as you can see, everything, I went up all the way up there too. Here I couldn't really because of the fused in wires and everything, and I ended up deciding to paint this. I was really careful with where I was spraying, but so masked off the steering wheel, taped all that up, obviously took everything else off, masked off gauges, all that stuff, but just a POR 15 chassis black. I still do have a bunch left over, so I'm gonna go back here just to make sure I basically got everything, but you can already hear the the difference in that. So yeah, this is all painted up. Just gonna wait for that to dry a little bit, and then I gotta throw the carpet in, and I got the holes cut out for the seats, and then we gotta get the holes in the carpet. But other than that, I mean, can't really cover it any more than that. So looking good so far. I did a couple more back here, but and on these little strips on both sides, but there's really like nowhere else I can put it. So that's basically it. And 36 square feet. I still have a sheet and then like a third of one, so pretty good coverage. I honestly didn't know if I was gonna get it, but there's clearly plenty to cover the whole thing. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Excited to see how much quieter it is driving, and how much it helps with like heat and stuff. So we'll see. Still waiting on the steering column to dry a little bit. I just did another coat, so we'll let that dry, and then we'll pull the carpet out and throw that on in there. So all right, I got the carpet in besides over there, basically, because I'm still letting that sit. But so this is how I'm gonna poke the holes for the seat. I learned this from by Script Garage. Basically, start the hole. I used this, and then you grab a punch and you want to heat it up, and then go in the hole, and it's just gonna melt through it and burn the ends, so that way the carpet can't fray up or anything. But I don't know, I've never done it this way, but I saw it, so figure I'm gonna try it out, and probably gonna be better than what I did last time. So let's try it. Got the torch right here, so we'll get it done. Never mind, I won't be doing that because I don't have any propane, but just poking this through and then pushing that through without any heat after got the hole good enough. So I'm just gonna do that on the other side, so it's easier. No propane either, so I don't see it fraying very much because of how I have these seat brackets. Like, it's not just a bolt, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. I do have to get the door sills, but yeah, I'm just gonna do that for both sides. So all right, so here is the final result. Super happy with how it came out. The only carpet fitting issue is right here, but a million times better than the last carpet, so I have no complaints on it. But as you guys know, Dynamat under the whole thing. I have this, which is like for like subwoofer boxes and stuff. It's just like a thin carpet, same thing I put on the kick panels. I put that all across here. It's really dark, so you can't really see, but so I have that. I think, I don't know yet, I might put the pedal on top because I kind of just put a slit there for it, but carpet keeps popping up. So I might put it on top. I'm not sure yet, but really happy with how it came out. A million times better than it was. So tomorrow I'm probably gonna pull the seat apart and try and redo the foam and stuff. So I'm not putting in an old seat because, I mean, it's still gonna have the same upholstery on it, but the foam is really just disintegrated, and it just kept falling down on the last carpet, and I just kept having to vacuum it like every week. So I'm just gonna pull at least the bottom half. The top half doesn't really have an issue, so at least the bottom, I'm gonna pull that out, put the new I forgot the name of it, but that brown stuff that goes under it, that mat or whatever it's called, cloth, some type of cloth. I'm gonna put new that, because that one's all disintegrated, so that way it can't fall down, and then new foam, and then we'll just put the same seat cover back over it. So eventually I will get a new seat or get that one reupholstered, but right now my next priority is getting AC. But super glad this is done. Really happy with how it turned out. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll have the link in the description to this carpet and maybe this subwoofer box carpet. But no, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Oh, also the Dynamat, all of that linked down there too. But thank you for watching. Follow my Instagrams if you don't already. Links are also down in the description. And that's it. Bye.